Hi, Shelby. Can you say hi, Shelby? Say Shelby. Please.
What are you doing?
Are you eating your banana? Hmm? Are you eating your banana? Your nana? Can you say Shelby? Shelby? Yeah. Who's that? Who is that, Shelby? Hey.
What?
Who is that, Shelby? What, Shelby? Shelby. What comes after one? One. What comes after one? Say one. We can't have any Coke. Daddy's going bye-bye. He's going bye-bye. He's going to work. Is that banana good? Is it good? Oh, what?
Daddy?
Yeah, it's Daddy. He's leaving for work. Shelby, can you say Nicole? Nicole. Can you say Nicole? Can you say Hope? Can you say Donnie? Can you say Ruth? Can you say Donna? No, Donna. Can you say Mike? Mike? Can you say Brent? Yeah. Can you say Brad? Yeah. Yeah, Brad. Can you say Shelby? Shelby? You're silly. No, no Coke. Is your banana hot? Is it hot? It's not hot, is it? Do you need to blow it? To cool it off? You're silly, Shelby. You're silly. Wait, do you want your juice? Juice? No, we can't have Coke, but we can have juice. Juice. Hey, don't do that. Okay, I guess you don't get any juice. Drink it then. Shelby, can you say Sean? Can you say Dustin? We gotta shh. What? Why do we gotta shh? Why? Why do we gotta shh? Because Dustin's a baby and he sleeps. Can you say Mandy? Mandy? Juice, yeah, that's juice. Yummy, yeah. Yep. Can you say hi? Can you wave? Can you say hi, everyone? Say hi, everyone. Say love you. Say I love you. Can you say I love you? Can you say I love you? Can you say I love you? Shelby? Say I love you. Okay, I'm going bye-bye. I'm not going to tape you anymore. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.